So for the past few days, I have been getting into cubing and speed cubing. A couple of days ago, I found my Rubik's Cube and I decided that I would learn how to solve it. I've been getting pretty good at it over the past few days. My personal record with the original Rubik's brand cube that I started out with was like 8 minutes. But today I purchased a GAN cube, a GAN speed cube, and well, pretty much I was able to half my record with that. So when I first got the GAN cube, I did my first time solve, and it was like 4.5 minutes. Then I have been practicing throughout the day, and I have managed to half my record again to 2 minutes, which is insane for me considering that like 2 days ago it was 8 minutes. So yeah, I have the video here to prove it, and yeah, enjoy.